What's up, YouTube? So I'm seated in this place which some of you might find familiar, which is where I've shot a couple of videos on my channel. So yeah, if you've watched some content from my channel, you might recognize this place. Anyways, I have these mystery boxes next to me. And by the way, I hope that you can see me because I can't see whatever the camera is recording. Today I'm using a different camera. I have these mystery boxes next to me, which are going to help me answer a question that I keep on getting on my channel, which is where do I get the parts, or how do I get the parts that I use for my projects? Now, I basically get my parts through three ways. The first one is that I recycle as much as I can. Now, if you watched my previous video about how to make a MIDI to CV converter, you might have seen me recycle the optocoupler and get it from a discarded power supply. And I think it's a good practice to recycle electronics because we've been used to the habit of throwing away perfectly working tech. And especially now that the world is facing a lot of constraints in global supply chains for electronic parts. And I don't know if you guys have heard about the chip shortage, you know. So all the car manufacturers, all the tech manufacturers cannot access chips due to reasons I don't understand, maybe COVID or anything. But I think it's time to wake up to the whole recycling kind of thinking, because we've been used to throwing away perfectly working tech and just sending it to landfills where, you know, it pollutes the environment and all that. So I recycle as much as I can because, first of all, it repurposes the things would have otherwise thrown away. So whatever I can't get through recycling brings me to number two, which is the shops downtown. Now, there's a couple of shops in the city that I live in Uganda, in Kampala, which sell general purpose electronics repair stuff like transistors, resistors, capacitors. Now, all the general purpose transistors like the 2N Quadro 2, like the 2N3906, 3904 are all available, and other MOSFETs and, you know, all kinds of resistors. All those are easily accessible downtown. Now, I've also done one of the videos where I showed you how I was walking on the streets of Kampala and all that. So I go downtown, and there are shops which specifically sell general purpose spares, which are also used for television repairs, radios, amplifiers and all that stuff. So that's quite readily available. Now, whatever I can't get through recycling or in downtown Kampala brings me to point number three, which will be explained by these mystery boxes. Once I open these boxes, I think you can see that some of them are labeled eBay, you know. So I don't live in a jungle. I mean, there might be trees and all that, but come on, I have access to eBay. So whatever that I can't get, like the specialized parts, like the LM13700, those I have to buy online, just, you know, like everyone else. So I bought stuff previously on eBay, on Mauser. Is it Mauser? I don't know if that's how it's pronounced. MORUSER, Mauser.uk, and on Amazon, you know. So the time I was making the VCO, I needed the CEM3340, which is like the VCO chip. And it's not sold in many places, even online, apart from shops like Thonk. So I had to make an order on Thonk and, you know, have it be delivered in Kampala. So, I mean, there's no special status for me because I live in Africa that I'm going to find a CEM3340 anywhere else apart from the shops like Thonk which sell it. So, and it doesn't take long for that stuff to come here. It takes a couple of, like, you know, 1 week is enough for me to get the parts that I need, which I can't get. So I'll show you a few of the things that I have in this box here, right here. So I ordered this, which is an addressable LED strip. I couldn't find this, of course, around town, so that's why I ordered for it. It came in this box. Here some RAM chips. I needed to upgrade upgrade the RAM on my laptop. So I mean, my laptop is there. It's a Dell Vostro. It's a dinosaur, but needed some love because these days I use it for a lot of video editing, rendering stuff and all that. So I needed to upgrade the RAM. I got that off eBay, and a couple of other things. These are in here 5-pin DIN connectors like I used for MIDI. I couldn't get these downtown, so I had to order for those. What else do I have in here? There's a bag of LEDs. These are 200 LEDs. I can buy LEDs in downtown Kampala, but I used the chance to buy these. They're quite cheap. I don't remember how much they were, but whatever. I bought these from the UK, from eBay. Yeah, so let me see if I have any other thing of interest here. Yes, and Arduinos are quite accessible in Kampala, but I got the chance to buy some cheap ones. Yeah, I think they're more expensive once you buy them here, but they're quite accessible. I mean, you can buy them. So let me see what else I have. Okay, I also have these barrel jacks. These I couldn't find in town, so I bought a couple of them, and I think these will last me many projects to come. So I don't have only one box. I have another box right here, so I'll show you what's in this box as well. Ta-da! And this microphone with the dead cut, you know. There's another microphone in here. So all this is in a bid to improve, you know, the audio quality of my recordings and preparing for the content that I'll be making in the new year. So that's basically it. I hope I've answered the question of where I get the parts for my modular synth, especially, which is the question that I keep getting. So whatever I can't get here, I order on Amazon, on Mauser, on Thonko. I mean, where everyone else buys their stuff. So basically, I want to thank you for supporting my channel this year that's coming to an end, and watching all my videos. And you know, because right now we are close to 4,000 subscribers, and I promise you that in the new year I'll be making much more content that's much more enjoyable. Right now I'm shooting on Brave 6 Plus, which is my personal camera, but I need a professional camera, and I'm sure soon I'll be getting one. Keep supporting my channel. The best way that you can support more content from my channel is please sign up on my Patreon if you can, because there then you directly give me the resources that I need to buy the parts that I need to make all these projects that you enjoy. So Patreon is the best way that you can support me, but it's, I mean, no pressure. It's not a must that you might support me on Patreon. If you can't support me on Patreon, please just subscribe to the videos and share them as much as you can, and keep on, you know, liking them and, you know, giving me the energy to keep on keeping on. So I wish all of you guys Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and hopefully we'll see each other soon in the next video. Peace, cheers, and Merry Christmas from Afro Rock. Bye.